Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we are going to see an amazing fish recipe, and it's Aar Fish Masala curry, which is so good to enjoy with hot steamed rice. So friends, let's see how to make this delicious fish curry recipe. And here I have taken 3 pieces of Aar fish and will season them with some salt and some turmeric or haldi powder. We'll rub the salt and turmeric powder well on both the sides of the fish pieces, and we'll let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, in a chutney jar, we will add 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard seeds, which has been soaked in hot water for half an hour. And along with this, we'll add 1 inch of ginger cut into smaller portions and 1 to 2 green chilies, or as per your spice level. We'll also add a little bit of salt, and now we will grind this into a paste. Let's check this now. Next, into this we will add 2 tablespoons of thick curd or dahi, which is mild sour. See to it that your dahi should not be very sour. And now we will again grind this into a smooth paste. And as you can see, our smooth yogurt and mustard sauce is ready, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, I've already heated some mustard oil in the non-stick kadhai, and when the oil is hot enough, we will add the Aar fish pieces seasoned with salt and turmeric powder. And on medium flame, we will fry them until they turn golden brown from both the sides. And by now, the fish pieces are well fried from both the sides, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same karahi, we'll add few Nigella seeds or Kalonji or Kala Zeera. This will give a nice flavor to our fish cooked in yogurt and mustard sauce. Next goes 3 to 4 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. And on medium flame, we will saute this well until they turn golden brown in color and the raw taste of onion, ginger, garlic goes away. And once these are fried well, we will add the puree of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. We'll stir this for a few seconds. And now we'll add some basic spices. Here goes some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder. And now on low to medium flame, we will saute the spices well along with the onion, ginger, garlic and tomato puree for 2 to 3 minutes or until oil starts to separate. And by now, all the ingredients are well sauteed and oil has started to separate. At this stage, we'll add the yogurt and mustard sauce, which we had prepared earlier. And on low flame, we will saute the sauce for just 1 minute until they are well combined with the rest of the ingredients. So by now, the base of our masala fish curry is ready. And now into this, we will add some water to form a curry-like consistency. We'll stir this once. I'll add now some sugar, say around 1/4 teaspoon, to balance the taste, as we had added tomato puree as well as curd or dahi. We'll mix this once. And as the curry starts to simmer, we will add the fried fish pieces one by one. And now we need to cover and cook the fish on low to medium flame for about 6 to 8 minutes. After about 8 minutes, we'll check the fish curry. The consistency of the curry has also thickened slightly, and the flavors of the curd and mustard sauce is very much well balanced, making this fish curry so very amazing to taste. Finally, I will add 1 red chilli and some chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. That's it. Our Aar fish curry is now ready to be served hot. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious Aar fish curry recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.